I'm really excited for this modification. It's like the #1 priority mod I should get for the car. And I'm real excited for you guys to show you guys this. Okay, here's the box. And I'm really excited, so let's get to opening it. This is my first time opening the box. I already like ripped the tabs, but I haven't gotten to see what's in here. I'm real excited, and I'm using the GoPro Hero 5 Session. I have a head mount right now, so I'm ready putting good use to my GoPro. I like it a lot, but I'm still learning how to use it. There's been a few funky things going on with it, so. And let's see what I got. Oh, woo, look at that. Cobb, Texas, Austin. Woo! I got the Accessport for the Speed. I'm real excited for this thing. And then here, your Accessport's finally here. Maps are already on your Accessport. Check out quick start guide to start using right away. Don't forget to register your Accessport and download the manager and firmware. And here's a carrying case. It says COBB, like a logo of COBB. Pretty nice. Probably won't ever really use it because Accessport's gonna be in my car. And then let's see what's inside. Okay, here's the the charging cable. Here is some COBB stickers. Here's the case. Here's the COBB faceplate. The manual for everything related and how to upload your maps. And here it is, the bad boy. Well, it's pretty light. I thought it'd be heavier than what it is. Maps are preload, free firmware updates with Accessport Manager, remove film before use. Ooh, look at that. The connector and stuff. That's sexy. Okay, let me put the charger back in here, or let me put all this back in here, and the charging cable, and there it is. And then in here, I'm pretty sure this is the OBD 2 port connected to your car. Yep, it is. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else in here. Yeah, just packaging. So yeah, I'm gonna see if there's any updates on this thing, and then we'll get back to it, you guys. Okay, I found out which one I do. So basically, I'll try and teach you guys, but you guys probably know more than I do at this point. So let's redo this. Turn on the car, or not turn on the car, but turn the key to ignition side. The menus, install. Yes, it's a MazdaSpeed 3. Okay, so pretty much I'm using, turn off the radio because shouldn't be anything on. I'm gonna put in the, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I need to put in the stage 1 93. Stage 1 plus SF is for the intake, and then stage 2 is for exhaust and all that other stuff. So I thought it was gonna be stage 1 SF, but SF is the COBB intake, so I don't have no intake. I'm all stock. So I'm gonna install the stage 1 93 because I have 93 fuel because I live in Texas. If you're in Cali, you'll put the stage 1 91 fuel if you live in Cali and your bone's stock. So click it. If you choose to save the stock data, it will take 30 minutes. This is optional. I'm totally gonna save that. And then there. Now it's just loading, and then I'll show you guys that when it's done. Okay, finally got the AP installed. I put all the gauges, all the 6 main things. Up top on the left, I have the boost. On the top of the right, I have the knock retard, any knocks. On the bottom, on the middle left, I have the actual AFRs. And then the middle right, I have the pressure, the fuel pump pressure. And then on the bottom left, I have the boost air temp and then coolant temp on the bottom right. Those are like the 6 main things I need to like focus on if anything bad happens to my car. I really don't know what all these numbers mean, so I'm gonna start doing a lot of research on what's good, what's bad, if my car is acting normal, and yeah. And yeah, there you go. Okay, what's kind of cool is that I was gonna put the face plate on and then the backing of it, and I found out on the Accessport it's magnetic like that, and it just clips on like that, which is really awesome because I have this magnet thing that came with a little vent mount for my phone. So literally, I'm gonna just kind of stick it right there, and then have my AP right there. And so yeah, so I thought that was cool. So let me do that as a M3M pack, like tape on it. So let's take that off. It's gonna look ugly on here, but oh well. Just kind of put it on, maybe right there. I feel like it's good. Like that looks horrible, but it's gonna get the job done. It's kind of sticking off because it's like a little bent. Some good pressure on there. And yeah, and so and there you go. I honestly, I don't know, it might not work out how I want it to because it feels like it slides too much, but we'll see. It feels like it's not really, like the magnet's not that strong, so we'll see if it is, if it stays there or not. But yeah, so that's how it is. Hope you guys like this little video. I got my Accessport, and I'm about to get the internals probably next week, and I will install those for you guys. And yeah, this car is it's transforming into a beast, and just wait on it. It's gonna be pretty fast. It's gonna be faster than my first gen because I never really bought mods for it, because when I had that car I was a broke high school kid. And so yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and some comments down below, and hope you guys enjoy. Peace.